Good morning, Sarah. How is everything going today?
Good morning. Everything's running smoothly so far. Any specific tasks you need help with today?
Thanks for asking. Well, first off, I'd like you to schedule a meeting with our clients for next week. Preferably Tuesday or Wednesday. Can you check their availability?
Sure thing. I shall send them an email right away to see when they are free. Anything else on your agenda for today?
Yes, I need you to compile the sales data from the past quarter and create a report. It's essential for our upcoming presentation.
Got it. I shall gather all the data and start working on that report. Should I include any specific details or charts?
Please provide a breakdown by product category and region, and add some charts to make the information more visually appealing. That should help during the presentation.
Will do. I shall make the report informative and visually appealing. Anything else?
Yes, we have a meeting with the marketing team at 2 p.m. I shall need you to prepare a summary of our recent marketing campaigns and results.
Sure thing. I shall make sure we have all the data ready for the meeting with the marketing team. Is there a specific format you would like for the summary?
A simple PowerPoint presentation should work. Just make sure to highlight the key metrics and outcomes.
Got it. A PowerPoint presentation summarizing the marketing campaigns. I shall ensure it's clear and concise. Is there anything else you need from me today?
That should cover it for now. Let me know if you need any assistance or if you run into any issues with these tasks.
Will do, and I shall keep you updated on the progress. If you think of anything else, just shoot me an email or let me know.
Great, thanks, Sarah. I appreciate your help with these tasks. Have a productive day.
You too, boss. I shall get started right away. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to ask. Excuse me, sir, just wanted to give you a quick update. I have scheduled the client meeting for next Wednesday at 10 a.m. They confirmed their availability.
Excellent, Sarah. Thanks for taking care of that. How's the progress on the sales report and marketing summary?
I have almost finished compiling the sales data, and I have started working on the PowerPoint presentation for the marketing meeting. It should be ready well before 2 p.m.
That's great to hear. Keep up the good work, Sarah. If you need any help or resources, let me know.
Will do, boss. I shall make sure everything is well prepared for the meeting. Is there anything else you would like me to add to the marketing presentation?
Just make sure to include the key takeaways from the campaigns, such as the ROI, engagement metrics, and any feedback we received from customers. We want a clear picture of our marketing performance.
Understood. I shall make sure the presentation is comprehensive and highlights those points. Anything else on your mind?
Not at the moment. Once again, thank you for your efficiency and diligence, Sarah. Your support is invaluable.
Thank you for your kind words, boss. I'm here to help make things run smoothly. If there's nothing else, I shall get back to work on these tasks.
Sounds good, Sarah. Keep up the excellent work, and I shall touch base with you later in the day.
Excuse me, sir, just a quick update. I have completed the sales report, and the marketing presentation is ready for our meeting at 2 p.m.
That's fantastic, Sarah. You are really on top of things today. Let me take a look at the report and presentation before the meeting.
Of course, I have sent them over to your email. Feel free to review them, and if you have any suggestions or changes, just let me know.
Will do. I appreciate your thoroughness. I shall look through them and get back to you with any feedback.
Sounds good, boss. If there's anything else you need, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to assist in any way I can.
Thank you, Sarah. I shall be in touch shortly after I review these documents. Keep up the excellent work.
Thank you, boss. I'm here to support you and the team. Looking forward to our meeting later.
All right, everyone, let's begin our marketing meeting. Sarah has prepared a summary of our recent campaigns and their outcomes. Sarah, please go ahead and present.
Thank you, boss. Good afternoon, everyone. As you can see in the presentation, we've had some significant successes in our recent marketing efforts. Our ROI increased by 15% compared to the previous quarter, and our engagement metrics have been consistently positive.
That's great to hear, Sarah. Could you provide more details on the customer feedback we received?
Of course. We collected feedback through surveys and social media channels. The majority of our customers mentioned that they appreciated our informative content and found our promotions relevant to their needs.
That's valuable information. How about the performance of specific campaigns?
We have seen particularly strong results from the email campaign we launched last month. Open rates were 20% higher than our average, and it resulted in a 10% increase in website traffic.
That's excellent news, Sarah. It's clear that our strategies are paying off. Thank you for the detailed presentation.
You are welcome, boss. If anyone has further questions or would like to dive deeper into the data, please feel free to ask.
Sarah, great job on the presentation. The marketing team was impressed with the results, and your presentation was clear and concise.
Thank you, boss. I'm glad the team found the information valuable. If there are any follow-up tasks or if you need assistance with anything else, please let me know.
Actually, I would like you to schedule a follow-up meeting with the marketing team for next week. We should discuss the strategies for the upcoming quarter based on the data you presented today.
Of course, I shall reach out to them and find a suitable time for the meeting. Anything else you would like me to include in the agenda?
Please include a review of the customer feedback and any suggestions the marketing team may have for improvement. It's essential that we continue to fine-tune our approach.
Understood. I shall make sure the agenda covers those points. Is there anything else on your plate for today?
Not at the moment. You have done an excellent job today, Sarah. I appreciate your hard work and dedication.
Thank you, boss. I'm here to support you and the team to the best of my abilities. If there's nothing else, I shall start scheduling that follow-up meeting.
That sounds like a plan. Keep up the great work, Sarah, and have a wonderful evening.
You too, boss. If you ever need assistance outside of office hours, feel free to